2, and we're going back in.
Nathan, get that. Right, we're going in,
We got bricks to throw at people.
I'm already in. Come on, Kagan.
Kagan, stop.
Kagan.
He's public damage.
Right,
Well, they're going in.
come on. Get Nathan going.
I'm waiting at the door.
Right, come on.
We've already explored this bit.
Now we're going upstairs to part 2.
Yep, upstairs for part 2. Stop, you go there for 2 hours.
Nathan, go, come on. Can they go up with Nathan in a minute?
That's all Keegan on.
No, just keep
Keep the flashlight.
Sugar, there's a hole there.
Just come on, Nathan.
Guys, really.
Come on, I've got that thing that the walls on it.
Come here.
Come on, Nathan.
Kids is bloody stopping.
Can you go up your pussy?
There's wool everywhere. Guys, I'm not joking.
What was that?
I'm not sure you just do that. You bang.
No.
Sugar, don't go back there, guys.
Howie balls.
There's some at there.
He's going back in for you.
Did you hear that little?
Wait, that bang, that was me.
No.
Was that bang in the corner upstairs?
It was like, eh.
No, it was like this. It was like this.
Guys, you definitely heard it. I know you did. I heard it. Yeah, it was something like that. What Kagan just
Trap my
did.
finger.
Kez has trapped his finger. We're not coming back here ever again. Sorry, guys.
We just pegged.
Guys, sorry for that outcut. My phone accidentally turned off. Sugar, I'm not going back there again. Seriously, I'm having a fight as well. But I am not going back there.
Go on, stop it. Keep on YouTube material. Go
We're
back in
not
for
going
you.
back. If you heard that, or whatever it were, that bang or whatever it were,
Right.
trust me, guys.
If we get 20 likes, we'll go back.
No, 100. It's got to be 100 likes to go back. Because I'm really scared.
100 likes to go back, yeah. Defo.
Defo, because my channel ain't even got... No, 100 likes and we'll go back.
No, get the video to 5 likes and we'll go back in right now.
No,
Right
no.
now.
No,
No, not now.
not now. 100 likes in 1 week. 100 likes in 1 week and we'll go back.
No.
The same gang will go back.
50.
50 likes and we'll go back in,
In
a
2
week.
days.
In a week.
In 2 days. 2 days.
No, it's a week.
Excuse me.
I don't think.
Do you know what that used to be?
It used to be a pub.
A what?
A co-op. I think it... Yeah, my dad said that. I think it's a pub, he said.
Keane said go back in.
No. Yeah.
I might go back in then.
In it, top floor.
Keane isn't
Because
even
look,
scared.
that crane there.
No, because I heard that thingy. No, Keane isn't
I
even
know, but-
scared. Keane said,
Guys,
if you do it,
I got
next time I'll join
anxiety.
in.
I got
no,
anxiety,
'cause I
which
heard
is
that
rushing through me.
Are you staying out? Is anyone staying out? Well,
Kagan was just talking to some random guy, weren't you, Kagan?
Pardon? I heard a bang.
Yeah.
In it, we all heard a bang and then we all heard ourselves. So I'm going checking the footage now. Peace.